tell you a short story. The boy is standing below the tree and the fruit is far from the tree. The boy picked that fruit. Have you ever thought that how can the boy can think to pick that fruit? Yes, it is because of a sense organ, and this sense is recognized by our brain. So let us discuss about our human brain. Human brain is about 1300 to 1400 grams, and the length of the human brain is 167 mm and the width is 140 mm, and the average height of the human brain is about 93 mm. So what's the human brain? Yes, the human brain is the functional unit of a human body. There are three major parts in the human brain. They are the forebrain, midbrain and the hindbrain. Okay, let's see these parts one by one. First, the forebrain. The forebrain is the main thinking part of the human body, and it receives the sensory impulses from various receptors like smell, sight, hearing and so on. Second, the midbrain. The midbrain controls the involuntary actions of the human body. Third, the hindbrain. The hindbrain also controls the involuntary actions of the human body like BP, vomiting, salivation and so on. And these involuntary actions of the hindbrain is controlled by the medulla in the hindbrain. So, what's the medulla? Yes, the medulla is the ventral part of the hindbrain. And it's not only a medulla, it's a medulla oblongata. And the width of the medulla is 2 cm. The length is 3 cm. And the thickness of the medulla is about 1.25 centimeters. Not only this, there are some other parts in the human brain. They are cerebrum, cerebellum, hypothalamus, spinal cord, pons and cranial nerves. So, let's see these parts one by one. First, the cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, situated in the cranial cavity. It has two hemispheres as right and left, which separated by the longitudinal tissue. And there are some internal features of the cerebrum. They are the grey matter, white matter and the basal nucleus. The grey matter is the outer peripheral layer and the white matter is the inner layer, and the basal nucleus is the large masses of a grey matter. Cerebellum. The cerebellum is the largest part of the hindbrain, lies in the posterior cranial fossa behind the medulla and pons. Its main function is balancing of the body. Spinal cord. The spinal cord is one of the main organs present in the central nervous system and situated in the upper two-thirds of the vertebral column. It is in a cylindrical shape. Hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is the large ovoid masses of a grey matter and situated bilaterally in the diencephalon. Cranial nerves. There are 12 pair of the cranial nerves originates from the brain and distributed to the different parts of the body. It is one of the main nerve in the body which protects the brain. Pons. The pons are the ventral part of the brain and the middle part of the brain stem. It is about 2.5 centimeters long. And the another part of the human brain is debra mater. The debra mater is the transparent and plastic-like structure present on the brain. Okay, this is a small introduction of the human brain, and these are the major and the minor parts of the brain. Thank you.